Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, RÜFÜS DU SOL with a song called On My Knees. Pretty cool song with a lot of attitude here. So yeah, but pretty easy to play, just 4 different chords. And we need to set our capo here on the 1st fret. So yeah, let's go. We have the 1st chord, the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And we have A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then C, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally F. So you bar all strings on the 1st fret, and you put your fingers on 3rd on A string, 3rd on D string, and 2nd on G string. And there's your chord, E minor, A minor, C, and F. And that is exactly how this song starts, the intro here. But we need to look at strumming pattern here, because that will be the same strumming pattern through the entire song. And here we need to think as pair of chords. So E minor and A minor will be together, and C and F will be together. So let's look at the E minor and A minor here first. You're gonna play 3 rounds of strumming for the E minor, and the strumming pattern will be down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. On the 1st round of this 3, where you play the E minor, you will play down first and then have a short break. Down, 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 up. Okay? And then it continues just straight down, 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 up. So the E minor will be like this. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay? And then you switch to A minor. You will just play 3 downs. Like this. And that is actually the whole thing here with the pair of chords here, the E minor to the A minor. Then the same goes for the C and F. The 1st round you play the C, because you're gonna play that 3 times as well. The pattern is exactly the same as in the E minor and A minor. So the 1st time you play C, you play down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So 3 times there as well. On the 1st time, you're gonna play down and a short break. And then you switch to F, 3 downs. And that is 1 chord progression and 1 round of that. So for the intro, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that. So I can demonstrate how that will sound. Let's go. Yeah, so that is the intro. And that is actually also how the song starts. You will play the same here for the 1st verse. You will play the 1st verse with 4 rounds of this chord progression. E minor, A minor, C, and F. All right, then we will come to the 1st chorus here. So the chorus starts in the lyrics that it looks like I'm on my knees again. So you will play in the exact same way here. The only thing is that when you play the verse, you play the chords E minor, A minor, C, and F on the end. But when you play the chorus, you're gonna play the E minor, A minor, C, and back to A minor. So you just replace the F with the A minor when you play the chorus. So otherwise it's exactly the same. It follows the same pattern when it comes to the strumming here. So 1 chorus with A minor in the end will sound like this. I'm gonna play it a couple of rounds so you can listen and follow. E minor, minor, C, A minor, E minor. Yeah, so that's 4 rounds there of the chorus. And then comes the second verse. It will be played in the same way as the first verse. 4 rounds of the E minor, A minor, C, and F on the end there, in the end. And then comes another chorus, played again in the same way as we played the first chorus there, with the A minor in the chord progression in the end there. 4 rounds of that as well. Then comes a bridge part, and this bridge part starts in the lyrics where he sings "It looks like I'm on my knees again," and he sings that for many times there, I believe 8-9 times. And you're gonna play this in the exact same way as you play the verse. So that means you're gonna have the F in the end there instead of the A minor. So that one will be played for 4 rounds just for instrumental part before he starts to sing "This looks like I'm on my knees again." So 4 rounds just instrumental, E minor, A minor, C, and F. And then it continues with another 4 rounds of the same chords, same strumming and everything. Then it ends with the final chorus there, 4 rounds of that one. And also like a post-chorus, or you can say prolonged chorus there in the end there with another 2 rounds. So it ends, you can say, with 6 rounds in total of the chorus play with, yeah, the A minor in the end. So yeah, that pretty much covers this cool song with a lot of attitude here from RÜFÜS DU SOL, "On My Knees." So I hope this was helpful for you. And yeah, good luck with the strumming, guys. See you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.